Oh yeah, insulation looks good in this area as well. The different phases have some different layouts. We're in a different phase here. Phase 1. Haven't done a walk here in a while. Man, some big sheets of sheetrock. Wow. But that's great when you got these long walls. Definitely good when you got these long walls where you can run it practically the whole length. Huh. Okay. Interesting. Let's see. Okay. So no drywall down here. Not sure why. Oh, there's still some wiring to be done. That's right. All right, let's see. Thank you. Let's see. Okay. Oh, that breeze feels good. Oh, that breeze feels good. Glad there's no windows. It's the best breeze all day. Let's see. The new phase is getting real close to getting started. Had that mountain of a mole hill of dirt that had to be leveled, and that'll be done this week. It was absolutely massive, and all the dump trucks brought in. Got that out of here. Some of it was used to level some site ground for that new phase, so some of it was moved around in various areas to level ground, but the majority was hauled off to the dump or distributed to landscape. Companies to sell to the public, I'm not sure. But I couldn't give you a number on the number of dump trucks. If I had to guess, 200, I guess, if I had to guess. You know, they come back to back to back to back. Actually easier to move around without all that drywall in the way. Sheetrock. I don't know what everybody, depends on who you talk to. Some people like sheetrock, some people like call it drywall. Okay. Go down here. The parking deck on the left. Okay. I think we'll finish up with its let's see, let me think. Okay. Pretty good sized place. I think we'll end it right here as we walk out the door. Thanks for watching.